Master the Art of Automotive Locksmithing, a complete online course. Welcome to the Automotive Locksmith for Beginners online course. Are you eager to start a rewarding career as an automotive locksmith? Whether you're stepping into the world of locksmithing for the first time or looking to specialize in automotive services, this course is designed just for you. By combining in-depth theory with hands-on demonstrations, this course will give you the skills and confidence needed to unlock endless opportunities in this high-demand field. What you'll learn: fundamentals of automotive locksmithing. Get acquainted with essential tools and techniques for automotive locksmithing. Understand the basic principles that every locksmith must know. Overview of auto key types. Learn about the different types of car keys, from traditional keys to modern smart keys. Understanding auto lock mechanisms. Dive deep into the inner workings of car locks and learn how they operate. Transponder key processes. Explore the comprehensive steps involved in transponder key programming. Understand how transponders communicate with vehicle immobilizer systems. Extracting PIN codes. Master the art of extracting PIN codes needed for programming keys. Introduction to OB-CAN bus systems. Gain insights into modern automotive communication systems and how they relate to locksmithing. EEPROM and bench work operations. Learn how to work with EEPROM chips to retrieve or program key data. Lock picking and decoding. Develop techniques for picking and decoding car locks effectively. Key cutting and duplication. Learn the science behind cutting and duplicating keys for various vehicles. Determining correct key bitting. Discover methods to determine the correct bitting sequence for vehicle keys. Programming transponder keys and key fobs. Acquire the skills needed to program keys and fobs for a wide range of vehicles. Unlocking various car models. Safe and effective techniques for unlocking different types of cars without causing damage. OBD programming demonstrations. Hands-on demonstrations of OBD programming for 18 different car makes. Creating universal keys. Learn how to create keys that work universally across various automotive systems. Renewing OEM remote keys. Master the process of renewing original equipment manufacturer OEM keys for brands like BMW, Audi, and Mazda. Key programmers and cutters. Compare popular key programmers and cutters on the market to find the best fit for your budget and needs. Exclusive industry insights. Gain trade secrets and insider tips to stand out in the competitive automotive locksmith industry. Remote cloud recognition. Explore advanced techniques for working with remote cloud systems in modern key setups. Who this course is for: beginners. If you have no prior experience in locksmithing, this course will provide you with a strong foundation. General locksmiths, those looking to specialize in automotive services and expand their expertise. Car enthusiasts, individuals who want to learn practical, hands-on skills related to car keys and locks. Aspiring professionals, anyone looking to start a new career in a growing, high-demand industry. Course features: step-by-step demonstrations for easy understanding, real-world examples and practical exercises, comprehensive guides for tools and equipment, access to resources and updates for ongoing learning. Course outcomes: by the end of this course, you will be proficient in a wide range of automotive locksmithing tasks, understand how to program, cut, and duplicate keys, confidently unlock and service various car models. Be prepared to start your own automotive locksmith business. Enroll now and take the first step toward mastering automotive locksmithing. Unlock your potential and drive your career forward with this comprehensive course.